Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place to start your natural journey while embracing a natural lifestyle full of self-love, confidence, and determination. In today's video, I will be giving you all 5 reasons why you should join the natural hair community and start your natural journey. So if any of that interests you, keep watching. Reason number 1, because of water. Now you're like, what are you talking about? Water is your friend. And in the natural hair community, we love water. And that love for water for our hair can spill on over into the rest of our lives, hopefully, right? I, for one, have always struggled with drinking water. I've never liked it. I thought water was disgusting, especially when I was a kid. You could not get me to drink water. But as I get older, I have to be more mindful that our bodies need water, especially our hair. So one, I want to give a shout out to Gabrielle Eichel on putting me on my gallon water bottle that I'm gonna put somewhere right here. But I've really been trying to drink more water, and this water bottle is amazing and I absolutely love it, and it really helps me to drink water. Like, I actually want to drink water. But seriously, no, water is our friend, and if you're having issues with drinking water, just know, joining the natural hair community and taking that road on down your natural journey, you're going to have to incorporate water. So it can help you in all different areas of your life. Reason number 2 why you should join the natural hair community and start your natural journey: self-love. That's right, self-love. Every head of hair is different, and this journey takes you on a ride of self-reflection and ultimately self-love, because you're gonna have good hair days and you're gonna have bad hair days, and unfortunately it might be more bad than good, and you're gonna have to learn how to love it either way. Which leads me into the 3rd reason: a strong community to back you on those bad days. There are literally thousands upon thousands of groups throughout the world, let alone on YouTube, that cater to natural hair community. There are tons of YouTubers that you can seek support and tips throughout your journey. And of course, this is the time that I have to plug my IG page, Curl Confirmations, where we share curl inspiration, tips, and insight into hair care techniques. We will talk about the good and we'll talk about the bad, but overall, that is a place where if you are thinking about becoming natural and you want more information, or if you're already natural and you just need a little support, that is where you need to go ahead and find me. And of course, when I'm not here on YouTube, that's where I'm gonna be. I had to plug myself. All right, now moving right along. Reason number 4 why you should start your natural hair journey and join the natural hair community: healthier hair. Now, before my relaxed sisters come up in here and be like, wait a minute, my hair is healthy. Not saying that you all have unhealthy hair if your hair is relaxed. Definitely not saying that. So I want to start with that disclaimer. But for those of you that are relaxed and you don't do what you're supposed to do and you're just not taking care of your hair, over time, that will result in damage. Typically, naturals have healthier hair because they are not using any harsh chemicals on their hair. So typically, now mine has been the healthiest it's been since I was a kid. I did have a perm and it pretty much just ate out my hair. Got a perm when I was 16, and people were thinking that I had cut my hair. No, baby, my hair was literally falling out. Like, it was just shedding and shedding and shedding away. I just went with it like, yeah girl, I cut it. No, I did not. But that's just the harsh reality, that sometimes if you don't know what you're doing and you don't know how to maintain your hair to start, that it's gonna be an uphill battle of you trying to retain your length. So join the natural hair community and you already have the support of us to help you on your journey, and you will ultimately have healthier hair. And the very last reason why you should join the natural hair community and start your natural journey is because going natural is cheaper than you think. If you take the time to research and find your hair porosity and your hair density, you can pinpoint the right products that work for you. And then you just stick with it. It's a lot cheaper than a good lace front wig or a sew-in. Trust me. And because you've saving so much money by going natural and finding the right products for your hair, you can spend your money on drinking wine while you have to be quarantined. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish drinking my glass of wine, and I hope these reasons were enough for you to at least consider joining the natural hair community, because if no one else, you at least have me to help you on your journey. As always, I'm a little different, and different is love. See y'all next time. Bye.